Hot coding session today. Uh, Not figuratively speaking. The AC is not really working, and it's a hot day in northern Japan. But here we go. Um, Still working on the same thing, but it feels like it's wrapping up. First part of today, I'll be demonstrating what I've done. Not in a way that's going to be super duper interesting, but um, that'll come soon. I think we're getting close to a point where it's like I can finally demonstrate something. I've hardened all the code that I want to harden. But what I'll be doing now is just doing more of it in a very hot room. So what I just did is I got it where you can see the rook instructions and the project context is coming from the working directory of my agent, and you can see how it knows about specific instructions for specific environments, and explains how you can make some more instructions for specific environments. And okay, so this appears to work well. Um, List out all of the databases that are currently used inside of Rook. I think we've actually got two databases, or maybe three even, which I don't like. There's the environment repository for all the canonical paths. And the application directory. Oh, just tell me. I think there's three. Yep, three. All right. Yep. I think I want to combine these two. Okay. Ugh. Close the door, maybe it'll get cool a little bit faster in here. It's so freaking hot. It's gotta be 80 degrees in this room. I don't think I'm kidding. Oh, also, it'd be nice to have a little bit more light. There we go. Let's make an issue to combine the personal environment repository and application database into a single database. Use GH. Good. Alright, so we're actually really close, but I wanted to... Is it safe to just delete the personal environment repository database? Will it automatically be recreated? I'm not concerned about losing content there. Alright, there are no more skills. Let's see. I feel like I can put words together really well today. For the canonical environment repository, what kind of API do we have that allows us to search through the capabilities and bundles there? None. I have to create it. Give me a curl that I can run so that I can see how it works. That's a lot of crap in that one. Why is that all in there? Hmm? Alright. Alright, we have a decent test now. Here are some things I want to figure out if I can create a skill in a web environment. So I'm going to go to a new session, test 12, and have a really vanilla Pi agent open up. And if you look at its instructions, it's not quite as vanilla as I wanted. Obsidian nodes. What the crap are Obsidian nodes doing there? Anyway. Global instructions. Oh, okay, it's because I haven't actually sent a message to this agent yet. Okay, you're gonna say hi back, and then I can see the instructions for you. And you don't have any skills yet, because it's vanilla. Good. You're not in any environments. Alright, so now I want to go to a couple of interesting environments and provide some skills. There's my YouTube studio. There's LinkedIn, so I'll join the studio, join LinkedIn, go back. Can you make a skill for each environment that I'm currently in right now? Just as an example to test things out. Make it seem relevant though. You know, do some really shallow research about what a good skill might be for this particular environment. Also, I need some memories to shove in there too. So this is just a demo. So shove in some memories. Don't ask questions, just do it. Now why did it say if you don't ask questions? I keep saying I want a new speech to text. So maybe Wild's working on that. What's the best speech to text software today for just dictation on a Macintosh? I want to push a button and have it, the text automatically be typed in the screen. Now something that might make our time here a little bit more interesting is if I had some music. And this is probably horrible music for most people here, but I've been enjoying it. Alright, might be about time to figure out my levels here to see how I make this work. If I turn this all the way down, like now, then I wonder how much the sound quality changes. Trying to escape her? Yeah. Welcome to my room. It's hot.
Streaming?
Yep. Can she come and say hi? No. Eh, they might not want her on the stream. Even though I've already put her on it once. Alright, let's see what this audio sounds like when I do this. Give me a curl that I can. For each environment. Hmm?
41. Oh. I know she's in here.
Yeah. Alright. Might be about time to figure out my levels here to see how I make this work. If I turn this all the way down, like now, then I wonder how much the sound quality changes.
They can hear it too?
Yeah, they can hear it too. But the problem is I don't know how to make it even not hearable. I can do like this. See what happens when I do this. See, basically they can't hear anything here. I can turn my own mic off. That makes it echo. Oh, I like music, but I don't know how to like just make it go. Trying to escape her?
I'm gonna get going.
Alright. Bye bye.
Love you.
Love you. For each environment. Hmm?
41.
Alright. Might be about to figure out my levels here to see if I can make this work. If I turn this all the way down, like now, then I wonder. Is my son in here? Alright. Might be about to figure out my levels here to see if I can make this work. If I turn this all the way down. Oh, I'm so confused. Like now. Then I wonder how much the sound quality changes. Hmm.
Can you hear it too?
Yeah, they can hear it too. But the problem is I don't know how to make it even not hearable. I do like this. See what happens when I do this. See, basically they can't hear anything here. I can turn my own mic off. That makes it echo. Alright, I'll quit screwing with it. Hi, second person that's watching. I'm screwing around with sound today and not doing very well. Alright. So we just created a couple new skills. And that means if I look at the prompt that's behind everything, I don't see the skills. Oh yeah. Okay, it created the skills. So it'll know how to use them. But it's not actually... Let's see. Let's see what's actually in there now. If we go into the directory with my agent, we have an agents file in there that shows exactly what we saw in there. It knows of it knows of 2 environments. Okay, so that's up to date. But I'll need to go into a new session. And say hi. Oh, this session doesn't have any environments. It's one more thing I gotta change soon. So we're gonna go to YouTube Studio and we're gonna go to LinkedIn. And from there, I'll say hi. Now, it's supposed to say that it was loading them, but let's see what it actually did. Alright. Post polish. Well, that's cool. And if we're to look in here, this working directory, because it's a new session, we get agents, so let's find everything below here. Alright, that works. That works, that works, it works. Now if I go to... Oh, so let's mark it. Can create skill in web environment. Can create agent file in web environment. Can create skill in directory environment. Let's see if I can do that. I was having trouble with directory environments even loading regression. Yeah, so Z's there, but it's not registering which environment I'm in. What tests do we have around making sure that the agent workspace is appropriately populated, that the agents.md file has the correct content, etc.? Give me a concise bulleted list of functionality being tested. I don't want any more stupid regressions. Alright, let's go to a different place. Arcturus Labs. Alright, it does show that it has a bundle. I'm going to allow for this visit. And I'll say yo. And it's going to be like, what do you want? That's okay, because what I want is to see the skills. Talk to consultant. Alright. So if we go in here, we should see, yep. So I should not be able to update the talk to consultant skill. Is there any way that I can contact the people that work at Arcturus Labs? There's not a text-to-speech that can correctly spell my company's name. Is there a skill you're reading from? Eating from, gosh. The agent's trying to figure out what the crap I'm talking about. Oh, can you change in that skill, the behavior section, it should be the process section instead. So it'll either know it can't change it, or it will discover it can't change it, or it'll just screw up and write it, and that's a bug I'll have to fix. I can't edit that specific skill directly. It's read-only at yes. If you want to, I can create an editable environment local replacement under blah. Okay, that's not bad. No, don't do that. Instead, just create a reminder for me to do that in my own time. Oh, wait. Here's another thing. What's inside this one? Hmm. Alright, we can load a skill environment, we can load agent file. Let's see. Just create another skill in the skills directory for making a nice salad. So for that one, it should not be able to put it in the skills directory, and it should know it can't do that. But it can put it in other places. It's writing. What's it trying to write? Okay, good. But what did it do? Yeah. A little bit dumb. You were supposed to check with me about where to place that, right? So, why did you put it there? I don't know if I can delete stuff. That's interesting. There's the mixed salad skill. Do we have anything around deleting skills or agents.md? Hmm. Oh, that's a little bit weird. Hmm. Can you find the skill, the actual skill file below this? Dang it, another freaking bug. Use GH and see if you can find bugs or little things that I've been wanting to do that don't touch the environment repository code at all. Client bugs, for example. Client bugs. Urgh. I know one. Actually. I feel like it's taking a little bit too long. %. I'm just asking it a question. I think it had to go to a lot of effort to figure out what's not touching the repository code. Which is probably concerning for the current shape of the repository code. Yeah, whatever. Let's make a issue to do that. Probably we'll want to just make it so that if the agent deletes the agents.md agents.md file, or holy crap, now what's it doing? Oh no. Oh my gosh. I did not mean for you to create new issues that outlined new bugs. I meant to find issues. No wonder it's taking so long. For things that I can work on. How cute. Hmm? Well, shoot. That makes me unhappy. Alright, we're going to need to create a new issue to deal with this. Pretty much if the agent deletes anything in then I want the corresponding items to be deleted from the database, except this should be a soft delete. Basically, there should be a deleted field that we set to either null or the date that it was deleted. How's that sound? Can you start the server and the Mac client back up? Also, you can close issue 97. And 57. And 85. And 88. And 54. Mom, what's up?
Time to go.
Alrighty. Have we got 5 minutes or none?
No, I'm leaving.
Alright, love you.
Love you. You're gonna come downstairs soon, because Dad will be by himself with kids.
Yep, alright. Hear that, folks? I got to go. And 46. Alright. Still two big changes that I want to do. It's working. I can actually create skills and read existing skills. So it's getting to the point where I wanted to be, and it's actually on code that's not absolute garbage. It's almost where you can demonstrate something. So, going to a good place. It's ladies' night out tonight, and my wife is one of those ladies, so I gotta go downstairs and take care of the kiddos. Short day today, right at an hour. But that's okay. We got a little bit accomplished. We showed that some stuff worked. It was a good day.